Abu Qilaba says, in Syria I was sitting in an assembly of the people, including Muslim bin Yasar. In the meanwhile, Abu Ash'as came. The reporter says that the people said, Abu Ash'as has arrived. When he had sat down, I said, tell are these brothers the hadith of Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu. He said, well, we went to fight a holy war, jihad, under the command of Hazrat Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan radiyallahu anhu. We got a lot of booty, including a silver vessel. Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu commanded the people to sell it to pay the salaries of the people. The people hastened to get it. This news reached Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu. He got up and said, I have heard that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam has prohibited bartering gold for gold, silver for silver, wheat for wheat, barley for barley, date for date, and salt for salt, provided it is equal for equal and hand-to-hand transaction. So whoever pays more or gets more, that will be usury. The people whereupon returned whatever they had got. When this news reached Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu, he got up, delivered the sermon and said, what has happened to the people who narrate such a hadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, whereas we also witnessed him and enjoyed his company, but we did never hear such a hadith from him. Hazrat Ubadah radiyallahu anhu again got up and repeated the narration and said, we will surely narrate the hadith which we have heard from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Though Hazrat Muawiyah dislikes it, or he radiyallahu anhu said, though his nose may get dusty, I don't care if I may not remain with him in his troop in the dark nights. Hamad has also said so or something similar to it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4037.